Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to perform exchange using Skrill websites. I'm talking about cryptocurrency exchange, that is buying and selling. Now if you are looking to exchange fiat currency to cryptocurrency or vice versa within Skrill, what you do is the first thing you need to do is to log in to your Skrill account on the website. So once you are in, navigate to the crypto section. So you click on the three dots at the top left corner, then click on crypto. So once you got to the crypto section, now if you want to buy crypto, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and the fiat currency you want to use. Then enter the amount and follow the prompt to complete the purchase. So if you want to sell crypto for fiat currency, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell and the fiat currency you want to receive. Enter the amount and follow the prompt to complete the sale. So you can see the prices here. You'll be able to see the prices here. So let's go back. I want to show you. You just go down here. This is the prices also. Now the reason why I'm not, then you have the trade. You click on the trade, which is the third option here. So you can see the trade and then you choose, you can see the option for buy and sell over here. So it's as simple as that. So once you've put in the order and everything, you click on next. So that's it. Now there's some things you need to know. Cryptocurrencies you buy on Skrill are held in your Skrill crypto balance, separate from your fiat currency balance. Also, Skrill charges fees for buying and selling cryptocurrency. These fees and the applied exchange rate will be displayed before you confirm the transaction. Be aware that cryptocurrency values are highly volatile, so they do not remain the same, they can change. Always review the fees and exchange rate before confirming any exchange transaction because they can fluctuate. Ensure your Skrill account is fully verified to access all exchange features. Mine isn't fully verified, that is why I cannot access all exchange features. So please fully verify yours. If you want to know how to verify your Skrill account, check out our video on how to verify your Skrill account. Now, don't forget that the full exchange functionality is typically available on the Skrill website. While the mobile app allows you to view balances, the exchange features might be more limited or only available on the web version. It's as simple as that.